guys, it's Captain Cook here, and today I'm with my best friend, Alex. Today we'll make some
Placuszki ziemniaczane. So placuszki ziemniaczane is a Polish dish that was invented to just give energy to farm crops. And it is very affordable, so for the time where it was invented, it was really one of the best dishes in Poland.
To start, 1.5 kilos of potatoes and peel them.
Now cut them into three.
Now you need to grate the potatoes, or with one of these, or with a machine like we will.
So now you need to put your potatoes in the Thermomix and going to mix until you get this.
Now 1 egg,
And a bit of flour.
it needs to have this type of consistency.
So now you have to put a small layer of oil on your pan and wait for it to be hot.
When your oil is ready, put a spoonful on your pan and then you press to make like a little pancake.
When you see it having a good crust, you can flip it.
This is perfect.
Now that I've flipped them all, what you're going to do is
Put them on a paper towel because they are very oily and put one on top and push to take all the oil out. Every 2 rounds, put a little more oil. Now that the
Placuszki ziemniaczane?
are made, we can eat them. Here they are. They have a big crust on it.
They are very hot though, so be careful.
You need to eat this hot. Cold, it's not the best. You can eat it with some cream, as we will, or even without. So you just take it, put it in, and I'm just gonna wait for him. 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
That's good.
Real good. Thanks for watching. A big thank you to my friend Alex who gave me this recipe and we made it together. It was delicious. If you made the recipe, tell me how it was in the comments below and give me new ideas on new recipes I should make. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next video.